Top-down or deductive method. The deductive method is also informally known as top-down because it starts from general statements to get to a conclusion based on those premises. In the deductive method, we'll start with the theory and hypothesis, observe, then get to the confirmation. Let's simplify in an example. You have two general assumptions. The first one is, all planets orbit around the Sun. Then the second one is, the Earth is a planet. Based on these two premises, we can conclude that the Earth orbits the Sun. This is both logically correct and logically sound. However, it can be logically correct but still be logically unsound. An example of this can be a general statement about how planets have a round shape and another general statement about how moons have a round shape as well. Therefore, the moon is a planet. While the two premises lead to that conclusion, it is logically unsound because there is a false premise. In this case, the round shape is not really a classifier for planets. Bottom-up or the inductive method. On the other hand, in the inductive method or bottom-up, observation comes first. Then upon observation, you pull a pattern. Based on these two specific premises, we can then generalize and form a hypothesis and a theory. Again, let's simplify in an example. You find a pile of clothing in the clearance section. You grab the piece of clothing and it's marked 50% off. The second one from the same pile is also marked down the same. You get to at least 5 pieces of clothing and they're also marked half off. Although we haven't checked each clothing within the pile, we can probably assume that it's a pile for those that are marked down 50% off. Unlike with deductive reasoning wherein the output is confirmed based on general premises, inductive reasoning produces statements that may or may not be true based on specific instances.